Top 5 Best Industrial Power Metal Lathes. Top 1. VEVOR Metal Lathe, 8.26 inches x 31.5 lathe machine, 2500 RPMs variable speed change 850W brushless motor precision lathe milling machine for various metal turning work in sturdy and durable construction. The mini lathe is made of high-quality HT200 cast iron, which stands up to tear and wear. It is equipped with an 850W motor that delivers a great deal of energy. If you are into making models, it would be your punctilious assistant. High-precision operation. Spindle bore, 1.5 inches / 38 mm. Our metal lathe is pre-installed with a 3-jaw chuck, 4.9 inches / 125 mm in diameter, which clamps raw materials tight, and a backsplash guard that ensures your safety during operation. The metal lathes boast exceptional precision, ensuring that every workpiece meets the tightest tolerances and specifications. Infinitely variable speeds. Revolving speed range, 50 to 2500. The mini lathe machine comes with variable speeds that give you the convenience to achieve the best work. This lathe allows you to work on both forward or reverse of any possible speed. The feeding rate can be adjusted manually or automatically. And an emergency button is accessible just in case. Top 2. Grizzly Industrial G0752-10 x 22 inches variable speed metal lathe, motor, V1 HP, 110V, 12A, swing over bed, 9-1/2, swing over cross slide, 6-1/8, distance between centers, 22 inches, spindle bore, 25 mm. Top 3. Grizzly Industrial G0769-8 x 16 inches variable speed combination lathe mill. Motor, 600W, 3/4 horsepower, 110V, 10A, spindle speed ranges, low 50 to 1000, high 100 to 2000 RPMs, lathe, swing over, bed 8-1/4, cross slide 4-5/8, mill, swing 13 inches, overall size, 36 inches WX 20 inches DX 34 inches H. Top 4. Grizzly Industrial G9729-31 3/4 horsepower combo lathe mill. Forward/reverse switch, built-in milling table with T-slots, 2 separate motors, power longitudinal feed, power cross feed, Top 5. VEVOR metal lathe machine, 8.3 x 29.5, precision benchtop power metal lathe, 0 to 2500 RPMs continuously, variable speed, 750W brushless motor metal gears, with toolbox for processing precision parts.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.